Hello students, welcome to my new class. Today is our physical sense. So in PDF I will send you some insight questions from this chapter. So physical sense is those sense in which no new substances are formed are called physical senses. No new substances are formed. It means if you say build a sense, if you hit or if you force on any things, then that things not produce new things. That things just change into the through shape, color, weight, etc., but not makes new things. So these changes in state, size, shape, and color of a substances are physical changes. The properties such as state, size, shape, and color of a substance are called its physical properties. So we can also say that these things in which the substance undergoes a change in its physical properties are called physical changes. The physical changes are temporary changes in which can be easily reversed to form the original substance. Very little energy is either absorbed or evolved in physical changes. Thus, the important characteristics of physical changes are as follows. No new substances are formed in physical changes. A physical change is temporary change. A physical change can be easily reversed. Very little energy is either absorbed or evolved in a physical sense. A temporary change in color may take place in a physical sense. We will now take an example to understand a physical sense clearly. Let us take a sheet of paper and cut it into a number of pieces. Now we cannot join the cut pieces of paper to make the original sheet of cutting of a sheet of paper into pieces of paper. Only the size and shape of paper has changed, but no new substance has been formed. So the cutting of paper is physical changes. So things is that thing only, but that thing you just make cut paste, that not new things are produced. Just that things only, you just changing their state, changing their shape, changing their weight, etc. Some more examples of physical changes are melting of ice, freezing of water to boiling of water, condensation of steam, evaporation of water, condensation of water vapor, cutting of cloth, breaking of chalk sticks, conversion of chalk stick into chalk dust, breaking of glass tumbler, breaking of a wooden stick, cutting a log of wood, melting of wax, formation of clouds, drying of wet cloths, dissolving salt in water, dissolving sugar in water, making soda water by dissolving carbon dioxide, glowing of an electric bulb, stretching of rubber band, grinding of a substance, hammering of metal to form thin sheets, sketching metals to form wires, and conversion of liquefied petroleum gas from liquid form of cylinder to gaseous from when it comes out of cylinder into gas stove. We will now describe some of these physical changes in details. So here some changes are given. Melting of ice, yes, you can see the things. Melting of ice means solid into liquid form. When you heat the solid, then it will be melt, and after that it will change their state into liquid. So take like that, boiling of water, condensation of steam, like the case of shock stick and shock dust, making of a solutions, breaking of a glass tumbler. So these all are the examples of physical changes. Thus in the details are given this So questions are coming from these types of paragraph. Heating of hexablade. So the heating of hexablade to the red hot stage of is a physical synthesis. So today's class is this much. So you will get the PDF of inside questions. So thank you.